Ever since I was young, I've always wanted to be a healthcare provider, and I've always wanted to show how I care about people, and this program helped me enhance my skills when it comes to caring. My instructors, my classmates, everybody's always flexible. If I need a hand or if I need a help, they're always there to provide that help for us.
The program's changed my life by giving me the personal growth and confidence to pursue a career that I've been interested in for a very long time. It's given me the knowledge and the support to just be able to work in a field that it wasn't really open to me before I had the education to do it.
There is huge demand for healthcare assistants. I can work in long-term care, I can work in community, I can work in acute in hospital, I can work in hospice house, I can work in brain injured group, cancer agencies. So it gives me an immense opportunity to work in several fields.